This is how you're going to publish your Base44 app to Hostinger. First, you're going to export your Base44 project as a zip file. You're going to head over right here at the top right of your screen, and then you're going to click on this three dots icon right here. Now, from here, you're just going to click on export project as zip, but make sure that you're subscribed to a paid service before you can access this. So make sure to upgrade your plan. You cannot do this on free trial or when you're on your free version. Now, once you have this download it as a zip file, you're going to log in to your Hostinger H panel, and then you're going to head over to the web apps hosting or the node.js so you can access it from here at the right side of your screen. And then once you click on websites or the websites list, you're just gonna click on the new website or the new app. You're going to upload your zip file or connect to your GitHub, and then Hostinger will auto detect your the framework and deploy it. Now, once you have it edited or added in, you're now going to publish your website. So you're just gonna have to click on publish site at the top right of the screen, and that's it. Your Base44 app will now be published to your Hostinger website. And that's it. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.